Akari. We meet again in this traditional medium. Hello, how is it going? Right now we're going to make a Sonic poster because I really want like a Sonic poster. I'm sure that Akari, like VA Akari, told you all of the tea I've had with getting my hands on a poster. Hey, hi, hello everyone, it's your girl editing Akari, and I know I said there was supposed to be an explanation before this clip rolled, but plans changed, baby! My big smooth brain didn't record the part where I explained my beef with Sonic 3 posters because I lost the footage of the sketch, so it will come later in the video, trust. Okay, thank you, bye. And either way, even if I had said it, because at the time of recording this I have not recorded the voiceover, I will talk about it while working right now. Hey, hi, hello everyone, it's Editing Akariken, and what I just said about talking through the inking timelapse was also retconned. The recording was interrupted way too many times by this little menace, and the audio was 50-50 with my voice and Bolt's barks, so explanation a bit later, trust. But the thing is that we're going to make a Sonic poster that's also homework for my art school assignment, so this ought to be fun. Anyways, I gotta tell you guys something. I found a Chaos Emerald. I'm still in search for all the Chaos Emeralds, because I need them to like pass this semester, to be honest. We need to go Super Akari if we intend to pass this semester, because oh my god, it's been so hard. But yeah, I'll leave it right here. Come on, face the camera. Well, yeah, thank you. Without further ado, let's get working on this. So let me just turn on my light box. I don't know if you can see it like already in the camera. It might not show correctly, but like this is going to be an inverted piece, which means that I'm going to like use a lot of ink, black ink, and I'm gonna go bankrupt because of all of the ink I will use. With that said, everyone, if you leave a super thanks in here, I will be really grateful. Haha. No, this is just kidding. Anyways, now for real please, let me just get my ink and my G-pen, and let me think about this very well, because I got a feeling the colors, like the color black first, and this is going to be such an issue for me. The first thing we can do is the circle guide. So like, let's start with that. That seems easy enough, I guess. Again, if you see any brands in my of my art supplies, I am not sponsored. Hashtag not spun. But it could be sponsored. If anyone watching has control over the brands, it could be sponsored. You know? I'd love to have an AkariTalkz video, like sponsored by any, I don't know, like Copic or Who or something. Hey, Bart, why isn't it focusing? Huh? Who knows? That's illegal. Okay, this is VA Akari trying to make sense of this video once again. Apologies for the abrupt format change, everyone. I know you really wanted to hear what poetical nonsense my brain spilled out while drawing live this time. But man, when I tell you this little man was being annoying, I'm not kidding. So I'll spare you the barks and the pitter-patter of tiny claws in my wooden floor for now. So, backstory. The gist of what I was saying through the speed ink was that I have tried to get a Sonic movie poster ever since the first movie came out. You know how they give them away in like cinemas in other places? Yeah, over where I live, there wasn't any like giveaways. So I haven't gotten one till this very day. And when Sonic 3 was on cinemas, I literally tried to bribe someone on the cinema to give me the poster that was like announcing the movie, and it didn't work, sadly. I envy you FNAF fans so much, to be honest. Like, FNAF fans have it so easy. Like, they have this huge ass poster and they can just grab it and go. Like, have you seen the news that everyone is stealing FNAF posters all left and right? Like, man, I wish I could do that, man. I wish I could do that. And you know, that's when I've reached like the peak of frustration, because I am usually a pacifist. I do not like condone crime. I do not like people stealing or harming each other. Like, no, please don't do that. And if you do that, get out of here. You don't belong in the AkariTalkz channel. But like, at this point, I really want a poster, man. I would sell a kidney of mine for a poster of Sonic 3. Of course, it would have to be like signed by Keanu Reeves and Ben Schwartz, but like, I would, no doubt, 100%. And fun fact, I almost did! Wait, hold on, let me explain. Like, I saw this listing on Amazon, I think, of a Sonic 3 poster signed by Keanu Reeves, and you know that I was immediately drawn to it. It was super expensive, but I almost bought it. I didn't buy it because someone else beat me to it. And what did the, like... It was a scam, basically. It was basically a scam. It wasn't signed by Keanu Reeves and stuff. Like, the reviews were terrible. And I almost fell for that. I almost spent my savings of my tuition for art school in a fake, like, Sonic 3 poster. Man, I am desperate at this point. So that's why I'm taking matters into... And hey, would you look at that? This is the section of the video in which I ask for you to subscribe. Yes, lovely viewer, please subscribe, like the video, or join the membership/Patreon. Yes, it's a big help to what I do and to my yapathons and everything. So like, if you want to consider like supporting me, pretty please like the video, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff, and or join the membership or Patreon. Thank you so much. Also, I have commissions opened. I recently opened my traditional original commissions. So you would get like an actual piece, an actual physical piece drawn by me and signed by me. So if you want one of those, check out my Vision. Link should be in the description. Thank you so much for watching. We'll get back to our scheduled programming. At this point, I can already see your comments. Akari, come on! You're like doing way too much to get a simple poster for Sonic 3. What the heck is wrong with you? And to that I answer yes. I do not know. But there was this other instance where like people contacted me and they said like, yo, we have like this art contest and we'd love you to like be in it. And like the prize is some Sonic merch and a poster of Sonic 3 and this shadow poster signed by Keanu Reeves that should be in screen. And yo, if you win, you'll get it for sure. Trust, bro. So I did the like the art, and guess what? I almost won. The prize was legitimate, but the thing is that even if I were to win, I wouldn't have gotten the prize. You know why? I am not in the US. I hate it in here. Oh my god. So hopefully with all of that backstory, you can understand why I'm so desperate to get my hands on a Sonic 3 poster. Like, this is the biggest f*** you I've ever received by the universe. Like, what the heck, man? And so, as the prophecy foretold, if I cannot get my hands on a Sonic 3 poster, damn it, I will make one myself. Like, I am an artist. That cannot stop me. There's no excuse. So that I did. But there was a teensy-weensy problem. I didn't have time. Oh, the everlasting problem of time. You know, it's always the thorn on my back, you know? But guess what? I had this assignment in which I needed to do like an inverted piece, and the topic was like free. You could do whatever you want. And if there's something that my school knows me for, is loving Sonic the Hedgehog. I mean, that's basically my brand, you know? So I did the obvious and started this project. This is where we're at right now. And while I don't think it's my best piece ever, I really like how it came out. I think right now you should be seeing like the coloring stage of my process, and you can see how much I like fought for my life in doing what I thought was right in this piece. Like, coloring this was very hard because it's an inverted piece. You are like rendering highlights, and well, I'm usually rendering shadows, you know? Haha, Shadow the Hedgehog pun. I'll stop myself right there. I'm sorry everyone, I'm afraid I might have had clown for breakfast this morning, I'm sorry. But like, the topic of like getting my hands on a Sonic 3 poster always gets me fired up because I am angry at myself for not getting one at this point. I feel like a fake fan, even though it's basically my entire brand. It's stupid how much I really want one of those posters. So if I can't have it, then I shall make it, you know? And so I did! Like, that's what we did today. Isn't this fun, everyone? The real Sonic 3 poster was the friendship we did along the way of getting one. Anyways, another note. I will be like posting this file on my Patreon, so you can just download it and print it out for yourself if you like this poster in black or white, or full color, depends on yourself. But yeah, thank you so much guys, gals and non-binary pals for embarking in this like odyssey with me. Haha, not a pun of Mario Odyssey. This is not a pun of Mario Odyssey. We are a Sonic stand-in here. So everyone, just some last reminders that I have a TikTok account now, and you can go follow me over there and ask me questions. Also, I've been getting a lot of fan art lately, which is super exciting to me. I'm very flattered by everyone's fan art. Like, honestly, if you want to flatter me, that's the way to go. But yeah, thank you so much everyone for the fan art. And with that said, I have been Akari-san. Thank you everyone for watching till the end. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye!